So since I'm starting up my new Reef, I wanted to make sure and get all my parameters correct. And that's why I've chosen all for Reef for daily dosing to improve alkalinity, calcium, etc., etc. So right now I'm mixing up a batch. It's 6 scoops that comes with it. Scoop is inside, right there. So 6 of those per liter. And I am just doing it, mixing it up until it's completely clear. And then I'm going to dose it at essentially 30 milliliters. This is going to be day 1. There's no life in there, but my alkalinity is reading about 6.8. I'd like to bring it up in the 8s, the low 8s. So let's see how this does. Okay, there we are, all mixed up. Go ahead and turn it off. It's not going to be perfectly clear. It is quite potent stuff. So let's get this dosed into the Reef and take some measurements. So here's day 2. It's still not clear, but nothing has precipitated out. And the alkalinity of my Reef went up by 0.2. So I'm going to continue dosing. It's obviously working. I'm just going to keep bringing it back up to where it needs to be.